A typical example of the term deliberate deprivation of assets was given recently in a case whereby a woman had been diagnosed with dementia, and her children wanted to know if they could set up a trust fund or have her sign over her share of the house in order to avoid paying inheritance tax and allocate the money instead towards their mother's future care. Firstly, as the woman had already been diagnosed with dementia, it was unclear whether she would have the mental capacity to make any legal arrangements, such as share transfers. Assuming that she still did have the mental capacity, however, there was still the problem of deliberate deprivation of assets. If the mother gave the house away or sold it 6 months or less before she went into a care home, this would be deemed deliberate deprivation of assets by her local authority. If the actions were carried out earlier, then she could still be the subject of review, with the potential of reversing any activity which had taken place. The amount of inheritance tax which would be ultimately due on the woman's estate would depend on the value of the final estate. If it is valued over £325,000, then inheritance tax would be payable at 40%. Whether she survived for at least 7 years after making a gift of the property. If you suspect your parent may be showing the first signs of dementia or another form of senility, then it would be helpful for them to plan their estate, so this could be done much more simply and effectively before power of attorney is finally sought.